Mother Nature is so beautiful and mesmerizing, and in its lap is this place where I live. The sky open is always oozing at this enthralling and serene beauty. The wind bringing along the fragrance from the mountains, fixing with the rivers and coming to the greenland is intoxicating. I inhale these blessings all the time. Poised are the roads,